For the dry steam high pressure system, the nozzles will need to be torqued down to 20 to 25 inch-pounds, closer to 25 inch-pounds. To do this, you'll need a torque wrench that's measured in inch-pounds, and you'll set it between 20 to 25, closer to the 25 mark. Different wrenches have different electronic or manual. Once you get it set to approximately 25 inch-pounds, you'll need to use the included torque bit. Once you connect that, you're going to want to torque the nozzles 2 times. One for the body and one for the head of the nozzle. You want to put it all the way on, and then all you do, 25 inch-pounds there, and then the head of it, 25 inch-pounds there, and you're done.